Good morning, student. Today we are going to start some more question or some more question generalized from journal entry or chapter of journal. The question which is related with the bank, when we are going to start opening the account in bank, what case we are doing, what type of we are going to entries, when we are receiving the payment by bank, what type of entry we are done, when we are going to pay by bank or check, then we are utilizing the banks. Okay, beta. So I am going to just start the next question, and question number 13, I think. Okay. Question number 13. First, make the pro forma. Make the journal pro forma, and then start the entries. Okay. Okay. Start.
2017 January 1. Paid into bank for opening a current account.
Paid into bank. Okay, beta. When we are going to paid in the bank, so bank account debit to cash. When we are going to deposit or paid in the bank, to bank account debit to cash. When withdrawal, then cash is coming to you, then cash account debit to bank. Bank account debit to cash. Why? Because we are going to deposit. So cash gone from the business, so credit. Okay. Deposit in bank. Amount
10,000.
10,000. Okay, beta. Next.
January 3. Goods sold for rupees 50,000 and the amount was deposited into bank.
Goods sold for 50,000 and amount. What amount we are receiving? That is deposited in bank. So bank account debit to sales. Okay. Cash received deposited in bank. Amount 50,000 beta.
50,000.
Okay, 50,000. Okay, clear? Next.
January 7. Amounts withdrawn from bank. 20,000.
Withdrawn means cash received, so cash account debit to bank. Okay, beta? Cash draw by bank. Amount
20,000.
20,000. Okay, beta? Clear? When we are withdrawing the cash, so cash account debit to bank, deposit, then bank account debit to cash. Next.
Goods sold for cash. 15,000.
When cash account debit to sales. Cash account debit to sales. Good sold for cash. Amount
15,000.
15,000. Okay, beta. Next.
January 12. Amount deposited into bank 12,000.
Again, deposit, it means bank account debit to cash. Cash in bank. Amount
12,000.
12,000. Okay, beta. Next.
Goods purchased and payment
It's
made
last.
by check.
Good purchase and payment. Then purchase account debit to bank because payment made by check. Amount
25,000.
25,000. Okay, clear? Clear, beta? 10, 50, 60, 20, 80, 90, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 7,000, 1 lakh 20,000, 27, 1 lakh 32,000. Total is this? 1 lakh 32,000. 1 lakh 32,000. Okay, beta? Clear? These all are the related with the bank entry. These all are relate with the bank entry. Okay, these all are related with the bank entry. Again, I like to repeat these things. When we are going to deposit in bank, then debit, bank debit, cash credit. When we are going to withdrawal, then cash debit, bank credit. Okay, beta. These things we are going to follow. Okay, now I am going for the one next topic, that is opening entry. That entry we are going to done on the basis of all assets and liability. All assets and liability, beta. Okay, when we are going to take the all assets, balance of all assets, and take the balance of all liability, all assets will debited, all liability credited. All assets debited, all liabilities credited. And if debit side is bigger, then credit side capital. If credit side bigger, then debit side goodwill. Okay, beta? We are going to mention the goodwill on debit side, and if the credit side is less from debit side, then we are going to write the capital. Okay, now I am going to take the one question for this topic, that is opening entry. Okay, beta, just start with this opening entry. Okay, performer is ready. Okay, tell the question, beta.
Question number 14A. Following balances appeared in the books.
Okay, all the assets balance we are going to make the debit, and all the liability balance credit. And if difference is there, is liability is more than assets, then one goodwill is came to on the side of assets. If assets is more than liability, then capital is coming on the side of credit. Okay, write down the balance. Just tell the balance.
Balance appeared out in the books of Radhika Traders as on 1st April 2017. Assets.
Yes.
Cash 8,000.
Cash 8,000. Okay. Cash account debit. Next.
Cash at bank rupees 7,000.
Cash at bank account
Rupees 7,000.
7,000. Okay, next.
Stock rupees 30,000.
Stock debit 30,000. Next.
Debtors 36,000.
Debtors debit 36,000.
Mohan 10,000.
In the debtor, Mohan and Sohan is given 10,000 and 26,000. 12,000.
Mohan's one Dinesh.
3 is there. We have not written the name here. Directly debtor we are using. Next.
Mohan 10,000. Sohan 12,000. Dinesh 14,000.
Okay, next.
Furniture 5,000.
Furniture debit 5,000. Okay, next.
Building 25,000.
Building account debit 25,000. Next.
Liabilities.
Okay, then 2 in liabilities. What is given?
Creditors X rupees 5,000.
Oh, yes.
Y rupees 6,000.
6,000. Total 11,000. Total 11,000. Anything else? Now, just see. By the seeing, we can easily say assets is more than liability. It means 2 capital. 2 capital for the balancing figure. 2 capital for the balancing figure. This is called opening entry, beta. 30,000, 30, 30, 60,000, 60 and 20, 80,000, 90,000. Okay, 90,000, 1 lakh, 5,000, 1 lakh, 11,000. 11,000, 1 lakh. It means capital is 1 lakh. In answer is given beta. Capital
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Okay. This is called opening entry. All the assets debited, all the liability credited. If assets is more than liability, then capital is coming on liabilities credit side. If liability or credit side more than asset side or debit side, then goodwill will come on the asset side. Okay, beta. Now we are going for the next entries that is given the question. Okay, next transaction is
2017 April
2 April.
bought goods of the list price of rupees 6,000 from Khanna Brothers,
Yes.
less 15% trade discount and 2% cash discount.
Okay, we are going to pay purchase of Khanna Brothers. Amount is
6,000
6,000 less trade discount 15%. 900, 5,100, then
2% cash discount.
less
50%
cash discount 2% and 40%.
paid at the same time.
40% in cash and 60% on credit. So 40% of this amount cut to 0, 4, 20 and 30, 60. Then less 2%. Then less 2%. 2% amount is 41. Okay, beta? It means 1,999. Now this value of discount already I was telling this na. This value is discount is cash and this on the credit. Khanna Brothers you are going to purchase or sold.
Bought.
Bought, purchase. Account debit to Khanna to cash to discount. Okay, beta. In purchase after the less of trade discount 51,000. In Khanna 30, 60. In cash 1,999 and 41. Okay, beta. On this way we are doing the entries. I think well clear because already I was explaining these things on the last class. In last class, beta. Clear? Then go for the next.
April 3.
Wait. I am going to rub this. Okay. Next.
Received a draft from Mohan in full settlement and deposited it into bank.
In full settlement. What amount?
9,750.
9,750. Okay. For this we are received from Mohan. Okay. Then cash, account debit, discount account debit, and just see the debtor. In that debtor, just see the debtor, beta. In that debtor, Mohan is given or not? Given, na? And Mohan amount is 10,000. Just see.
9,750.
No. In upside, just see the upside where the assets is given. In that assets, debtor is given. Okay, beta. And in that debtor, Mohan value is 10,000.
10,000.
And we have only received 9,750. It means 250 is discount. And on the front of Mohan, we are going to enter the 10,000. Okay, beta. This is called. Just take the sum amount for the opening entries because the Mohan they are giving the asset side as a debtor. That amount we are seeing 10,000 on that place and then 9,750 we are receiving. 250 is discount. Okay, next.
Purchased goods from Suresh of the list price of rupees 8,000 at 20% trade discount and paid him by check.
8,000. Okay, beta. 20% trade discount. 160 0046 6400 and paid by check. Purchase account debit to bank 6400. Okay, clear? You will manage the narration, beta. Clear or not? Clear na beta? Next.
Sold goods and receive a check 25,000.
Sold goods, receive a check means bank account debit to sales amount
25,000.
25,000. Okay, next.
Deposited the above check into bank.
Okay. We can write on the place of bank check in hand also, beta. Okay, check in hand also. But here we are going with the bank. Deposited this check in bank. Okay, deposited. Difference or same entry? Same entry. Different date is there or same date?
Different date.
Huh?
Different date.
So right here, check in hand. Okay, and then bank account debit to check in hand, and amount is 25,000. Okay, next. Next.
Sohan deposited in bank account 4,000.
So bank account debit Sohan amount
4,000.
4,000. Before that Sohan is there. Sohan included in debtor.
Yeah.
Yes.
4,000.
So how much amount there balance? 4,000 only. Okay, the same amount they are going to pay. Then same amount means no discount there. Next.
Paid income tax by check 56,000.
On the case of sole trade, income tax means drawing. Then drawing account debit cash amount
5,600.
5,600. Finished? Okay. Up to this is clear, beta? Now I am going to rub the board. Okay, next.
Received a check from Sohan and sent to bank.
Wait. Receive check from Sohan
And
and
sent.
send into bank. We are receiving, send to the bank, then bank account debit to Sohan. Amount
7,800.
7,800. Sohan balance is there, beta? Just see in debtor.
Discount allowed rupees 200.
200 discount. 200 discount account debit Sohan. Okay. Where is that? Okay, next. Next.
Withdrew from bank for office 2,000, for private use 4,000.
Private use drawing. Drawing account debit and office expense account debit to bank. Okay, because we are going to withdraw and amount beta
Office 2,000, private use 4,000.
2,000, 4,000, 6,000. Okay, next.
Sent a check to X in full settlement of his account.
So X account debit to bank. How much amount?
4,900.
4,900. And X balance in creditor 5,000. It means discount to discount 4,900, 100 rupees discount. We are going to settle 5,000. We are going to settle 5,000. Okay, beta? 100 discount is coming.
20.
Okay. Next.
Sent a check of Sohan returned by bank as dishonored.
Sohan check returned by bank. Bank account debit to Sohan. So just opposite Sohan account debit to bank. Debit to bank. The value of that amount. Sohan check value is upside. 4,000. 4,000 is there, na? Sohan balance is 4,000. Okay, 4,000. Next.
Dinesh was declared insolvent and a payment of 60 paise in a
Okay, Dinesh declared insolvent. So we are receiving cash from Dinesh. Okay, what the balance of Dinesh? Just see in creditor, debtor, in debtor.
debtor.
Dinesh amount is
14,000.
14,000. Okay, beta? 14,000. We have to receive 14,000. But we are receiving only 60 paise. It means 60%. 60% is there, beta? It means 0, 0. 8,400 we are receiving. So then front of cash 8,400 and 5,600 is bad debts. Okay, cash debit, bad debts debit. Actually, we have to receive 14,000, but we are not able to receive 14,000 because Dinesh is not able to pay. Dinesh will pay only 60 paise of 41 rupees. 60 paise on 1 rupees. Then for the 14,000, 8,400 cash and other amount is bad debts. Okay, beta? Clear? Some more is there? You are free.
But एक डेट में थी
3 is there. Okay.
पर एक ही डेट
No problem about that. For that, again, I am going to make some space. Okay. Then
bank allowed interest rupees 350.
it means interest you are receiving. Then bank account debit to interest. Bank account debit to interest amount
350 rupees.
350. Okay. Next.
Paid
Interest received by bank. Okay, next.
for paid for rent by check.
Then rent is expense. Rent account debit to bank. Rent paid by check. Amount
1,500.
1,500. 1,500. Okay, beta. Now go for the next.
Paid for traveling expenses by check rupees 500.
Traveling expenses. Traveling expense debit to bank. Amount
500.
500. Because traveling expense paid by check, so we are return the bank. Okay. Okay. On this way we are going to solve the all question. Okay? Clear or not? Opening entry is clear. Bad debts, one new is bad debts. In the case of bad debts, if you are taking some debtors and you are not able to receive the full money from that debtors, so that amount you are not able to receive, that will treat as like a bad debts. As like here 14,000 you have to receive, but only 60 paise on 1 rupees you are receiving, so only the in 14,000 you are going to receive 8,400, so 5,600 is what? Bad debts. Okay? Clear of the case? Okay. Open. Thank you.